very good afternoon from Melbourne, Australia, and today I am at the beautiful Flagstaff Garden. One more garden video while I'm counting down to my next holiday, which is going to be very soon because I have booked the tickets. So, what is this place? So, Flagstaff Garden is Melbourne's oldest public park, officially established in the 1862. However, before that, it was something else. So here you can see the hill, which is that part. That was actually known as the Burial Hill because it was Melbourne's first cemetery in the 18th century. It's not very high though. Apparently they used to stand on the hill, the place I am standing at right now, and they used to send signals to the ships going from the bay, Port Phillip Bay, which of course we can't see now because everything is now blocked by the high-rise buildings. Let's keep walking. Sorry, I'm a bit sniffly today. It is so cold. It's like first week of August, and in the morning it was like 5 degrees, and 5 degrees of very dry cold. So apparently this garden is like 7.2 hectares, 18 acres. Managed by City of Melbourne. It is also home to some of the very rare trees and plants which we can't see right now because everything is naked. That's a possum house. You see that hole in the tree? So Flagstaff Garden is a heritage listed garden which was registered in 2004. Do you guys also think 2004 was like 10 years ago? This park also has the oldest children's play area in Melbourne. Very popular place for lunchtime retreats because there are a lot of offices around. Or a place to sit alone and think about your lost love. These flowers smell so nice. I don't know whether it's this one or the orange one. Something smells really nice here. Yes, there's a tennis court. What is that? Oh. What is going on in here? The court favorite, presented to the City of Melbourne by, what is that? Baron Marks JP? 1930. So, just a few years back. One more huge tree. Apparently there are walking tours every Monday at 11 a.m. for $10 if you're interested in coming here instead of listening to me, listening to a professional. Oh, okay. I think that is the... Okay, I don't want to film children, but I think that is the oldest playground in Melbourne that I was talking about earlier. Oh wow, look at that. So pretty. Imagine living here.
Yeah.
I don't think you'll be able to sleep if you live there, because this place is full of possums at night. If you come after dark, they're literally like everywhere. So I told you earlier this was a cemetery, right? So in the 18th century, the early settlers used to bury their dead here. It is actually said that those people were not happy because after the park was built, they were ignored or disrespected. So there's a story that okay, I'm scared even talking about this. The ghosts of the dead actually roams around in the park at night time. People have reported seeing someone just floating, and they're saying that it's from that era. But no one knows where is the evidence. Anyone can say anything, but I don't know. Maybe I should go home now and then come back and film at like 12 a.m. Yeah. I actually used to come here at 11 p.m. at night for a walk, and apart from possums and some crazy couples fighting, I've never seen anything. So this park has no doors, no gates, no boundary walls. It's open 24/7. You can come and go as you like. The outside part is also very nice, but it might be a bit noisy. But it usually has really beautiful plants. How lush this part is. Imagine, this is so lush in like winter. This place looks really nice in spring. And of course, this is a very special place where I shot my very first YouTube video on the way to Hanoi, Vietnam, I remember. I think this is the second time I'm talking about this. But every time I pass by this place, I remember I was so nervous. Not that I'm more confident right now, but wow, it's already been 6 months. Okay, continuing the ghost story we were talking about. I have heard that, these old trees with really strong roots, when they really get their hold on the ground, sometimes the bone of the deceased actually start showing up, and city council workers actually quietly clean that without any media coverage. Now I don't know how true that is, but it's pretty good to know. These flowers are so beautiful. I think they're Australian native flowers, that's why they stay so fresh in this weather. Should I go back in? Oh, that's really soft. Can't smell it. Okay, no cycling here. More beautiful plants. Wow, look at that one. It looks so soft. This is the map. If someone knows how to read that. Mapping 170 years of change. Wow. Okay, I guess this is it for today. And travel videos are coming because after all this is a travel channel. And I don't know if anyone noticed, but I changed the name of my channel because the name of the channel was First Impressions, which was so difficult to find because there were way too many channels with the same name in all different niches. So not that it matters, but yeah. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.